So not only did I get the laundry all together, I still got another bag. I got 2 full ones in there. But I also managed to, semi-clean up this place. It doesn't look like it, but all that is cleaned up. I spent the last hour or so gathering this stuff and editing and stuff like that. So we just edited a video. It's coming up. Got another one, 90% edited. And during my cleanup, I found this. I'm gonna climb underneath and change my fuel filter because I'm having issues with the startup, and I'm hoping it's just a plugged filter. So let's go check this out. A good friend of mine, Mike, my high school buddy over in Vancouver, gave me that car carrier, and I was going to try putting it on the bus, but I can't find any roof racks for it. So I donated it to her, and now she has a place to put all her extra crap. Let's get under here and start taking it apart. Okay. Oh, shoot. That hurt. So what we're doing is replacing this thing right here, if you can see it. This is a fuel filter. Okay, we got that done. I did climb out and check the old filter, but it didn't seem clogged, so I'm worried it might be the fuel pump, and that is in the tank. Yuck. Well, it's running, but just as I suspected, it didn't want to start. Fuel injection, you shouldn't have to touch your gas pedal. You should just be able to turn it over and it should start up right away. The older ones might take a few cranks, like this one does. But yeah, I have to use my gas pedal after it's cranked a few times. And she did pretty good. She did that all by herself. Looks good. I offered my help. She said, no, that's okay, Brent. I got it. As you can see, it's starting to rain. And oh, look, it's Dave. You're kind of like crazy neighbor, right? Can't quite see this guy, but it's amazing how some people think he's been sitting out there in the middle of the driveway. I know he's waiting for a ride, but does he think his ride is going to be the first guy here? This place is always a beehive of busyness. Every Monday, it's just non-stop cars dropping them off. What the? That's my friend from Quebec. What's she doing back here so early in the morning? I thought she was running away. How do I look? I just woke up. I hope her bed didn't break. Would not be funny. Brad, I go out one night and your bed didn't break on me. Hang on. No, shouldn't be that. Hello, bonjour, come here. Not your company?
No,
yeah. So please tell me your bed didn't break.
No, it didn't break.
Thank
I slept very good.
Oh, good.
Thank you.
Okay, good morning. Jose's a little bit camera shy. Okay, so bear with us. Why are you here?
Because I wanted to say thank you very much for my bed.
You're very welcome.
I really love it.
Good.
And my carrier too.
It looks good on that thing, eh?
And it gives me some more space inside.
Awesome.
Because I put a lot of stuff in it. And yeah, I thought you deserve something because you did all of that for free. You spent a lot of time.
It was only 2 days.
That's a lot. And I appreciate it. So, and your birthday's coming. So for all of that, I thought you deserved something like that.
What is that?
It's a MacBook Pro.
Oh, get out.
Sure.
What?
You don't like it? I'll take it back. It's yours. Is it?
I'm like speechless.
Yeah, I can see that.
Wow, that's amazing.
You don't have to be speechless. It's only something you can use, I guess.
Oh, that's special. That makes me feel very special. I don't even...
You're so good at your video, so.
Oh my God! Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I want a hug. Ah. That, my friend, is an amazing, amazing gift. Thank you very much, Jose.
You're welcome.
Yeah, it's Jose. I was just being a smarty pants. Well, that was a total shocker. Who does that kind of stuff for people? Right? Where my friend? And damn, that does look good on top of her roof. She's like, I keep looking at my rooftop carrier. I love it so much. I'm like, oh well. Anyways, it was a gift to me, and I couldn't use it. And I found her when I built her bed that there wasn't much room in her bedroom, so or in her thing there. So I said, if you want it, you can have it. So, what a nice lady. I hope our paths cross again soon. But for me, 2 things I need to take care of. 1, I need to finish some editing, and 2, this guy I think right here needs to go for a poop or something because he really wants to go outside. See, he heard me say the word poop and he looked at me. So, okay, let's go. Where'd you go, buddy? Oops, come here. I have to close the door. What were we talking about earlier? This crazy little spot with all busy it is. Wow, I'm still in shock actually. I even forgot to open the box up because the dog was being a pain in the butt. But it's a bit chilly out. A bit cloudy, a bit windy. But it looks like it's going to be a gorgeous day. It always is. Remember that, you guys. One thing I used to say to people was, have a great day, unless you got other plans. It's all in our perception of things and trying to find the good in everything. And be good to people. Love them no matter what. Even if you don't like them. You don't have to be around them. But just, you know, try not to be a negative, I guess. I know it's tough, but if you find yourself being there, you need to stop and jump right back into that moment. And when you look around you, really, everything is okay. What are you doing? And on that note, let's go say hi to the boys. Come on, dude.
Good morning.
It's on.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. You're gonna be on this all week? I'm sorry. I got a bit carried away. Look at the boxes of these things. They're so solid. And it comes with all the new lightning port. What do they call that? USB-C? Good God. I'm still in shock.
Jose, I want to say thank you ever so much. You're an amazing person. I'm glad to call you my friend. That's for sure. And let's hope that this little thing's gonna kick up my editing skills and stuff. I'm dying to try it out.